Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from crypto.com. So in order to withdraw from crypto.com, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, before you begin with the withdrawal process, you need to understand one thing, that is you cannot directly transfer cryptos to your bank account. So you'll need to sell it. So then to begin with, first of all, tap the logo or the icon located in the bottom of your screen. Next page is going to ask you to select crypto wallet. So go ahead and tap the crypto wallet button. You'll need to select the particular cryptocurrency that you wish to sell. So after you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, select fiat wallet. Now that you've already sold the cryptocurrency and it has been converted, now select fiat wallet and then head over to your home page once again. So after that, tap the transfer located in the top right hand side corner. Next page, you'll be able to see the interface something like this. Once you've sold the cryptocurrency, now you'll need to enter the amount that you wish to transfer to your bank or that you wish to withdraw. And after you've done entering the amount, select the bank that you wish to withdraw or select the destination and click on withdraw, which is located right at the bottom. So lastly, you'll need to go through the confirmation that is being provided. So click the confirm button if you're sure about the information that you've provided. As soon as you do that, you've successfully withdrawn from crypto.com. So in this way, you can withdraw from crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.